In my previous videos, I had mentioned about the trigger points and also how to determine the hidden patterns within us. Let's be more extensive here. Now, we need to add some more elements. This exercise is very important. I'll tell you why these exercises are important at the end. Now, what we need to do is write down or journal down some of the trigger points. What is causing you anger? Secondly, write down what are the dominant styles of you getting angry. What is your dominant style? Are you an open aggressor? Are you a passive aggressor? Or do you have behavioral anger or verbal anger? Which category you belong to? Write it down. Also, add some elements like what is the thought process that goes on when you are getting angry? What thoughts come into your mind? What you feel like doing when you get angry? What alterations can be done? What changes can be done within yourself? One thing that we need to note here is stop blaming others. All you need to do is focus within yourself. Do not focus anything on others. He was responsible and she was the one who did this to me. No, never think of this. Thirdly, try to consciously resist yourself from getting angry. Now you are trying to change the pattern. Let me tell you why these exercises are important. First thing is it gives you an insight about your own emotions. You have always had an intangible emotion in the mind and now you are getting a tangible report, which is very much essential to change your behavior. Secondly, we need to have some concrete changes, and to have that, getting a tangible report is very much important. Here we are able to break down our patterns, the old hidden patterns which we were not aware of. We get to know about these patterns. Thirdly, we try to take the ownership of getting angry. We stop blaming others. What happens now is we are able to focus on ourselves and our self-development. What can be done to improve myself? This is what we are looking for, isn't it? The fourth purpose of this exercise is that we are able to express our feelings to somebody in a better way. We get a summary, we get a synopsis on the notepad, which is very easy for us to communicate to others what I feel or what do I do when I get angry and how can I change it. It is very easy if we practice it daily. I'm sure you will come up with your reviews in the comment, inshallah.